You become a safe place. Even when the world seems so big and the problem seems so grand, that you are who the kids go to. You are the trusted adult. And what kids know about trusted adults is that they're affirming, they're trustworthy, and we know where to find them. They're predictable. And if you think about the way you showed up for young people, I bet they know where to find you. I bet that there is some safety around whether it's your church space, your office space, in wherever other communities you created, that there is something that's affirming and trustworthy and predictable, and that they can find peace and comfort when everything else seems so big. So I thank you for creating that safe space for our young people. And you know what the data says. And you know what the data says, especially for our youth that are most vulnerable, our trans students, our students who don't feel belong, don't feel safe in our communities. We know that all it takes is one trusted adult. That if there's one trusted adult in our young person's lives, that decreases suicidality by more than half. And that data is especially alarming and true and powerful for our trans students, for our trans youth, right? So thank you. Thank you for being that trusted adult. Thank you for being that safe space and creating that. And we need you more than ever.